In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't connect to server in Rust. So first thing you want to do is open CMD and then run as administrator. And before you do anything, make sure you exit the game. If you see it, just exit it from here. If you see Steam or Epic Games, exit them. So next, you want to go here and then type the following command: ipconfig/renew, and then press enter. Then ipconfig/DNS, then ipconfig/release, and then ipconfig register DNS. And once you have this written down and done, you can just close this down. Next, go to control panel, and then network, click on your internet, properties, and then here go to Internet Protocol version 4 properties. Use the following DNS. So here you need to type 8.8.8.8, then 8.8.4.4, then press OK, then OK, then close this down. Now next thing you want to do is go here and type network reset. Go here, then click reset now. And lastly, you want to check if this is an error that has to do with the server. So you can actually go to Google here. So on Google, you want to write "is Rust down?" So here, let's write it down here. And you'll get a website like this. And if the game is having issues, you will be able to tell from here. And all you have to do is just wait, and they will fix the server. And that's it.